loves, it's Brianna K. Welcome back to my home. Today's video is part of my New Year Fresh Start series that I'm doing on my channel, and I'm gonna be sharing with you tons of tips and tricks to have a cozy home refresh.
It seems like everyone has been battling the cold lately, so I hope this video comes at a time where you can warm up your home with some cozy vibes.
I've gotten a lot of DMs and comments lately saying that I'm one of your favorite comfort influencers or comfort creators, and that is just the biggest compliment. So I hope that today's video really helps you learn some easy ways to make your home extra comfy and cozy.
Let's start outside with the front porch first. You want this to be cozy to welcome all of your guests, so I feel like starting with a really cute doormat always gives that cozy welcome home vibe. And I wanted to keep these tips very budget friendly. So these are little things you can do over time that won't break the bank but will help your space feel so cozy. And then I love to hang a pretty wreath on the door. You can always change it up for the season or the holiday. And pillows always add that extra cozy touch. Just a few simple things made this front porch look so much cozier and more welcoming.
And moving into the bedroom, where I feel like it is the most important for things to be comfy and cozy so that you get a good night's rest and you can relax and be rejuvenated, you know, all the things. I feel like especially having soft candlelight in a bedroom just makes it extra cozy. And one of the new additions I put in recently were these cozy curtains. And I honestly don't know why I didn't do this sooner, because I feel like it just makes this space 100 times more cozy than it was before. They're like a really cute boho pattern with like tassels too, so I just love the detail on them. Probably goes without saying, but having those luxurious soft sheets and bedding is just essential for keeping everything cozy. I just love how smooth and buttery these sheets are, and the duvet cover, but fluffy pillows, I love those, and fuzzy soft blankets just keep it so nice and cozy in here, especially during the cold Ohio winter months. And then beyond the luxurious sheets and bedding, having an amazing mattress so that you are so comfortable and so cozy when you sleep every single night is ideal. And a huge thank you to Lisa for sponsoring today's video. I have needed a new mattress for forever. I was having really bad back pain and just wanted a new mattress to have some fresh new energy in here, and I decided to give Lisa a try. One of the things I loved was just how convenient delivery and setup was. My Lisa mattress arrived right on my doorstep, and it was so easy for me to bring up here and set everything up.
So Lisa makes mattresses that deliver unparalleled comfort through a combination of timeless luxury and state-of-the-art design. Lisa mattresses are made with environmentally conscious materials such as recycled steel, low-emission latex, and CertaPure US certified foams. You can also sleep safely knowing that all mattresses are Green Guard Gold certified, which verifies that their materials are low in chemical emissions. Lisa sent me their new Reserve Hybrid mattress to try out. I'm so excited. It has an innovative two-part design totaling 7 layers of foams and up to 1,032 individually wrapped springs. The high-density foam is curated to cradle your hips, relieve pressure points, and isolate motion, while the springs provide advanced lumbar and edge support. The Reserve also allows you to choose from 3 personalized comfort levels: soft, medium, or firm. Like I mentioned, I was having really bad back pain, so it was important for me to get a mattress that provides me with undisturbed sleep because of the high-density foam, which limits motion during the night. It was so easy to pick out my mattress online and to set it up. And I love that at Lisa, they believe everyone's deserving of a safe and comfortable place to rest, so they have partnered with a ton of nonprofit organizations nationwide to provide over 41,000 mattresses to people in need.
Each Lisa mattress comes with 2 of their down alternative pillows, which are hypoallergenic, machine washable, and designed for all sleeping positions.
And with your Lisa mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 10-year warranty.
all set up. I'm so excited for my new Lisa mattress, and I think you're going to love Lisa too. If for some reason the Reserve Hybrid doesn't seem like the right mattress fit for you, check out their site because they have a ton of other award-winning mattresses. Just go to leesa.com, that's leesa.com, and be sure to use my code BriannaK for an additional $75 off of your mattress purchase plus 2 free pillows. I also just love turning on the different ambiance YouTube channels. I feel like it just instantly makes it a cozier, softer vibe, really in any room. And I also love just having some extra cozy blankets in this little basket so that when we're having movie nights in here, the kids can each grab a blanket and we all kind of curl up and cuddle on the bed. Also just having lamps so you can have softer lighting, I feel like is so important for in the bedroom. Still actually looking to replace these actually. I feel like I want maybe a whiter lamp base and shade. These are my ones from when I did my old bedroom, and I feel like so many changes in here, you know. The other thing that I love, this is just one of those extra cozy touches, but I like having this pillow balm by Too Faced by my bed because I feel like I put it on every single night and it keeps my lips so soft and silky smooth. So just one of those ways, you know, pamper yourself and keep things cozy. Also, of course, you know me if you watch my videos, I'm always rocking the fuzzy slippers, and I always have extra pairs by the bed just in case for some reason I like take these off in the bathroom or the closet or something. I always have an extra pair to throw on just in case for when I wake up in the morning because I hate going barefoot. And then I'm a huge smell girly, so I love making sure that everything is nice and refreshed when it comes to my bedding every single day. So I always do a very liberal spray of my room freshener over my bed every day just to keep it smelling nice and fresh and clean and cozy. Coming into the bathroom now to talk about some easy ways to keep it cozy in here. All right, if you happen to have a TV in your bathroom like I do, again, the ambiance, this one in here is the ocean waves, just felt really appropriate since it's a you know, Hawaii inspired bathroom. One thing I just love that just feels magical and cozy is this little light up palm tree. It was originally just put in here for Christmas, but I love it so much and I feel like it still goes with the vibe. So it's staying. And then just some of the essentials I have in here for when I take my bubble baths and zen out. I always make sure I have really good hair products, body products, face mask, lip masks, you know, all the things to, again, pamper yourself. Always need a claw clip for the hair, my journal, just so I can have that me time and really just zen out in here. It just makes me feel so comfy, cozy. And of course, I always light candles to just set the mood in here. And you can see them all on display on this towel rack, but having really just plush towels, I feel like just makes it feel like a spa in here, a luxurious little spa day. And then the same can be said for my bath mat. And if we go over to the sinks, the mats I have in front of the sinks, they're just extra plush and luxurious feeling when I, you know, I'm barefoot without my slippers in here. And I just keep everything really neat and simple in here. I feel like that just kind of, again, makes it feel really clean and cozy. Like you can relax so much better when things are minimal. Candle lit over here too. Fresh towels out on the sink. And just like in the bedroom, I feel like air fresheners just help set the mood with the scent. And having really good smelling soaps always helps set that mood too. I think just to balance out, you know, how white and clean everything is here, little pops of greenery do help to just make it feel a little more cozy and homey. And of course, would it be a cozy bathroom without a nice, fuzzy, furry robe? I love this one for the winter. It's so soft and cozy. As you can see by my outfit today, it looks like I'm almost wearing like a robe sweater, right? And finally, one of the things I really love in here is all the lighting is adjustable. So I have it on like the highest setting right now, but I like to be able to turn it down to be a lot softer light when I want to relax when I'm taking my baths. So love that for in here. Now we are in my kitchen and I have some very easy ways for you to keep your kitchen nice and cozy. I feel like there is nothing cuter and cozier than having a tablecloth. I feel like it just adds that touch of grandma's house, right? Like the coziness and comfort of going over grandma's house. I also think just having, whether it's placemats or really cute little place settings, it just sort of elevates everything and again gives it that homey touch. I have these fresh flowers here and these are starting to look a little sad, but I always try to keep fresh flowers out on this island in particular, just because I feel like fresh flowers really do just make everything seem so homey and feminine. I also just really love adding wreaths places, again for that touch of greenery. Cup of happy, cup of cozy. I do just love having a cute little coffee station though every morning to kind of come get my cup of cozy, cup of happy. It's also just so easy to add that homey touch and also decorative touch with little seasonal dishcloths and pot holders, hand protectors. I love those. Like candles just add that ambiance anywhere, but I love having candles in the kitchen. And I think just adding little pops of color and florals, again, they're just so feminine. Right now for Valentine's Day, I love having just little candy jars out because I feel like it's just so sweet and comforting. Again, just more little candles and even another cozy blanket basket over here within reach for the family room. And speaking of the family room, we can head in here and I will show you just all the cozy elements in here. So for me, I think having the fire lit, especially again during these cold winter months, I feel like I have my fireplace on nearly every day from fall until spring because I just love how cozy, the warmth, the look, all of it. And then just having seasonal decor on the mantle, again, it just makes it feel so homey. And I recently just put in curtains in here as well. And same feeling as the bedroom. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner because I just love how cozy and homey it makes it look in here. And one thing I did do, because I looked at a ton of Pinterest pictures to make sure I was hanging them right, I made sure when I measured that the rod was actually like above the window by nearly like a foot. I think it was like 8 inches above the window. At least like that was like the longest length I could find in the curtains that I wanted, so that it had that like elongating look for floor to nearly ceiling. And just like in the kitchen, I feel like adding florals into your decor just always makes it feel feminine and soft. Speaking of soft, I feel like having plush, whether it's throw pillows, this one, I mean the one side of this is like even fuzzier, but the front side, I mean it feels soft everywhere. I love how this one has just like little soft hearts you can feel, just all when it comes to touch. You know, cozy is all the senses and touch is a big one. But also having cozy throw blankets. This is like the most sentimental blanket to me. So if you watch my birth vlog with Hayden, which is at this point, I'm not sure that anyone on the internet hasn't seen that birth vlog. It's like got crazy, like millions and millions of views. This blanket might look familiar because it's the blanket I had on me like after I had him, like in the hospital. took it with us when he was like 6 weeks old when we moved to Hawaii on the plane. Like that's what I had him bundled up like around us. And he was just on it all the time as a baby. And I love this blanket. There's like such a fond, so many memories tied to it between Hayden, going to Hawaii, all of that. So it's like the most special blanket to me ever. It's funny, like most people have that baby blanket. So in a way it's kind of like Hayden's baby blanket and my mommy blanket, I guess. But anyways, yes, all the soft throw pillows and blankets and, you know, even more cozies. And I do feel like having rugs just ups the ante too with the cozy vibes. I'm still looking for rugs in my bedroom, by the way. I just haven't found ones that I love or feel like are the right fit yet, but love those. If you have little ones, or if you're looking for a gift for a friend or family member who's had a little one, my kids use these nearly every day. They are just so soft, they're so comfy, and they use them for years. I love how they're personalized, but you know, they're just like so soft, and they're easy to wash too, because you can take the cover off and throw it in the wash in case they get dirty, but just a little cozy for the kiddos. And you know, got the ambiance, of course, going in here on the TV too. This one, you know, a little snowy scene outside of another comfy, cozy family room. Look at those plush blankets on that couch and the rug. Ugh, I would sleep on that rug. But one of the other things that I think just, you know, pulls at your heartstrings is when you see photos of special moments or special memories and families. So I think just adding in those elements, while it might not to the touch feel cozy, it makes you feel cozy on the inside. And, you know, always just have that feeling of love towards those we're missing. But speaking of missing, if there's anything that you feel like makes your home feel so cozy, or just, you know, gives you that comfort feeling that I've missed, let me know down in the comments below, so that way everybody watching can get your ideas too. Final thing I will add here that I think just makes any home feel a bit more cozier and comfortable is if you are cleaning and decluttering regularly, which I have so many videos here on my channel that you can watch for cleaning motivation, decluttering motivation, and I'm gonna be continuing to make those. We've got spring cleaning coming up here. There's way more decluttering I wanna do in this new year, so make sure you're subscribed if you're not already and have your notifications turned on. And I just hope that in general, this video kind of felt like a big warm hug and gave you those ideas of little ways that you can add in the cozy to your space, whether it's your bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, family room, or really anywhere else around your home. All of these tips and tricks kind of work in any room. Thank you again so much for watching, and thanks again to Lisa for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, loves.